Straining your eyes against a dim, washed-out TV screen during an intense movie scene, or dealing with a laggy, cluttered smart interface that takes forever to find your favorite streaming apps is an absolute nightmare that completely drains the joy out of your downtime. Relying on an outdated television usually means dealing with muddy colors, blurry motion during fast-paced sports, and a messy tangle of external streaming sticks that disrupt your living room aesthetic. The 2026 Samsung 50-inch class Crystal UHD U8000H series Smart TV completely rescues you from that mediocre viewing experience, functioning as an ultra-vibrant, AI-driven entertainment workstation designed to bring cinema-grade clarity straight to your home. Housed in a sleek, bezel-less design that blends seamlessly into any modern living space, this 50-inch powerhouse features the advanced Crystal Processor 4K. Working in tandem with Samsung's cutting-edge Vision AI technology, it intelligently analyzes and upscales every frame in real time, delivering razor-sharp textures, striking contrast, and stunning 4K resolution. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is the Color Booster engine, which unlocks an expansive palette of lifelike hues, paired with Motion Xcelerator technology to ensure ultra-smooth, blur-free action whether you're watching a high-speed car chase or playing a fast-paced video game. Engineered for the ultimate cord-cutting lifestyle, the U8000H offers instant access to endless free content through Samsung TV Plus, giving you thousands of live and on-demand channels right out of the box with zero subscriptions required. Complete with Alexa built-in for effortless, hands-free voice control over your smart home and entertainment. It is the ultimate, stress-free upgrade for movie buffs, casual gamers, and families who demand premium picture quality and smart versatility. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price. Drop a comment letting me know if you are mounting this 50-inch beast in your living room or upgrading your bedroom setup. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more practical home theater gear, display reviews, and smart tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.